Bullish Cardano, ADA, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.29 and $2.44 by 2030. Market experts accept ADA could reach $1 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.229665. Cardano, ADA, presentation. The digital currency market is increasing constantly. In any case, staying aware of this speedy industry is definitely not a simple undertaking. Thusly, numerous financial backers and dealers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an exhaustive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's in store for Cardano in the event that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that in the event that you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a steady undertaking that calls for both persistence and examination. How about we plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin seems okay for you? What is Cardano? ADA. Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market. With secure blockchain innovation, progressive shrewd agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system in which holders of the cash are accused of confirming exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top digital currency trades permit you to partake in marking with no or little cost, making it an engaging choice to produce pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-audited information and proof-based approaches and its improvement separates it from other digital forms of money. Most of the digital currency market goes quick. Yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and deliberately. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing likely dangers. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer design keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain, revealing of significant worth, unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain, because of their obligation to straightforwardness, why the worth was moved. Also, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 designers, reliably chipping away at the venture. Because of these huge quantities of engineers, the coin is probably going to surpass Ethereum in market predominance and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is right now worth $0.287081 United States dollars. ADA has moved 2.16% as of now with an exchanging volume of $209,250,719. Cardano is right now positioned 7 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $9,382,812,918 United States dollars. Using the general strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano, ADA, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Cardano, ADA, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. ADA. The ADA cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.430621. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous. However, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.401913 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of $0.344497. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2024 out of 2024. Cardano ADA cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform $0.717702. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the ADA's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.574162 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.631578. Cardano, ADA, Value forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1, and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.918659 and a low of $0.861243 in 2025. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2026. Assuming Cardano effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money lovers, the ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.29, with a base cost of $1.15 and a typical cost of $1.21. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.49 by 2027. With a base cost of $1.44 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ADA has a greatest value worth of $1.58. Cardano, ADA, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.78. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.87, neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028, could bring about a low of $1.72. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.01 and a yearly cost close above $2.15 in 2029. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at long last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.30 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.44. Averaging out at $2.35. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own exploration. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $2.81 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.70. And Cardano may not